It's another day in paradise. Welcome to Changzhou. It's not too far from Nanjing. It took an hour and a half to get here. And I've come to see some trains. Well, there's two stations that go through Changzhou. We're heading towards the North train station right now. It's Chinese Meadow Hall. In fact, they flock from all over the region to come and see this spectacular, the global harbour. If Changzhou's famous for two things, this is second on the list. Top of the list is the dinosaur theme park. Maybe I'll go there one day. I've heard it's a little bit like Diggerland on acid. Although I've been to the global harbour before, I got crossed upon by this small child. He followed me around everywhere. It were a very strange afternoon, talking about communism in a shopping mall. We did go feed some pigeons though. That was quite interesting. In fact, I've got a video on that. Why don't you check it out? Or stick with me and we'll try to find the best view of this Ferris wheel and trains. Well, I've been up there, down there, and I've been trying to find the perfect view, and I think I've finally got it. So the train's travelling in this direction, heading from Nanjing towards Shanghai, and in the opposite direction, from Shanghai to Nanjing. Trains here are going to vary at different speeds because not all of them stop at the North train station, some of them just go right through. They do run at a reduced speed when they're going through the train station, so the trains here are actually at maximum speed, but they're going fast enough for us to have a bit of a train thrill. I'm going to have to get out of here, I'm feeling a little bit sick. I don't know whether it's the placebo effect of these signal towers, or if your brain's actually too close to them you get fried. Electric Avenue, and then we take it higher. I can hear plenty of trains going by. It's too foggy today, innit? Can't see shit. Imagine if this were a nice day. You'd be able to see that whole dockyard and everything. Let's have a look down the other side. Yeah, not bad. Little chugger's doing its thing. Now, do you see down there in that allotment? There's like a little thing that goes over that pipe. If you can get up and stand on it, that'd be quite a good viewing platform there. I think you'd be high enough to see the trains. But how'd you get into that? Well, it looks like this used to be an entrance of some sorts. Bit of noodle drying for you. This looks like a trick door. 哦，他们都爬过去。他们都爬过去。是一个梯子，对吧？哦。爬过去。要爬过去，没有门口，对吧？门口少的。Well, you've got to climb over that fence. I'm going to do a small risk assessment while going up to the top of this building. And it seems today we're trying some. Well, I thought it were apple at first, but it's radish, isn't it? Oh God, look at all them flies. I try to discover a little something to make me sweeter. Oh baby, refrain from breaking my heart. I think I found the ultimate thing on a Chinese rooftop. Someone's made a pigeon hut. Look at that. There's loads of birds inside. This has got to be my ultimate find on a Chinese rooftop. Oh, no way. Yes, just when I thought I were actually going to have to climb that fence. Well, I'm in. There's plenty of cabbages to choose from. Oh, there's some locals too. 你好，火车，我喜欢火车。然后这边就可以拍到火车。Well, she seemed happy, but he had a right face on. It absolutely stinks. It's whatever's in this pipe. It's emanating gas. So we can get down there to where this ladder's on top of this pipe thing. Oh, it'll have a right view. Oh, look at this. Someone's made a path out of manhole covers. A little pond. I've just realised. It's not the gas that stinks, is it? It's the fertiliser. Put shit all over this. Oh, it's over there. I don't know how I'm going to get to it now. Look at this here. Someone's built a big chicken house. Well, I've made it. Just hope to God this thing don't blow up. Right, time for me to get out of here. I don't even know how I got in, but this is a different way out. I'm going to head towards the city centre to see what's on offer at the final destination this weekend. Here we are. You can see the station down there. Well, if it wasn't so polluted, you might be able to. Right, I'm going to go up there and then that'll be me done. Yay! That's the final shot! Wow, well, I've had a great time in Changzhou. Thanks for joining me. Oh, that was just the perfect shot to end with. We've had fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye.